called Yina, and this is my 10th module from KidsSpeak2Lead. Today, I am not just showing you on how to fold a piece of paper. I am inviting you to a fun and creative journey of paper folding. Today, we are going to do something straight from the heart. Something says, I care. Origami is the traditional Japanese art of paper folding. Today, we are making the origami heart to express love and creativity. Any volunteers for today? Okay, come on. What is your name? My name is Kate. Okay, Miss Kate, pick up a paper. Okay. If you're using a colored side, make sure it's facing down. Okay. Fold it into a triangle like that. Yes, sir. No. Like that. No problem. Now fold it diagonally like this. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, now fold it back like this. And fold this upper part down over here. Just like that. Now take this down part, fold it to the upper hit. Okay. That is it this? Yes, correct. 8% sweeper fold. Okay. Now the trick is to fold these two parts in like this. Have to fold it to the paper over here. You need help. No, thank you. Okay. Just like that. Now the easy part. Also the practice step. Take this 4 points. Put it in like this. Start over here. Just like that. I'll do the same with the other part. Yes. Now take this full part, put it, so fold it in back at this line. Yeah, fold it over there. No, put it here. Yeah. Okay. And do the same with the other one. For example, origami heart to express love. Thank you for doing this with me today. You're welcome. Any questions with the folding process? No? Okay. Okay, you can keep the heart. So thank you. Okay. Now we've got a paper origami heart. You can keep it for your loved ones or your friends. Origami is not just about folding paper. It's about showing love and creativity. Today we made an origami heart for your loved ones. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoy it.